Weather alert. High wind warning around current location. Weather alert. Tornado watch in about 25 miles from current location.
Perfect. I think that's a pretty good place to start this video. This is a weather alert that you get in the Infiniti M's 2011 and up. This one here is a 2011 M56 Sport with every possible package. It does have navigation as well, and that's where that weather alert warning thing comes from. So some people might find that annoying. And this video, I wanted to kind of show you how to get rid of that in case you don't want all that noise while you're listening to your music and all that. All right, so let's do it. Let's actually start from the beginning. Let me show you how long it takes approximately. It actually varies. It could take as long as 5 minutes from driving. Sometimes it's immediate. It just depends on what the weather conditions are wherever you are. So right now it is, well, reminder, 7:19 p.m. and let's just kind of watch it for. I have to play with the flash on, flash off thing. Anytime now, any minute.
Weather alert.
There you go.
High wind warning around current location. Weather alert. Tornado watch in about 25 miles from current location.
So, as I said, 25 miles might not be of any relevance to you depending on what direction you're going. And sometimes the the notification is wrong in that it tells you about some tornado on a day that it's all sunny and beautiful. Well, but come to think of it, I guess tornadoes do kind of come like that. But sometimes it's not very accurate. Today happens to be a windy day, but when I was driving here, I noticed when I was driving to St. Louis, the alert came on the highway, and it reduced my music volume just slightly. Gave me my warning and just kept moving. So some people might not want that at all. Maybe they just don't like it. And this video was is to guide you on how to get rid of it. So setting, first off, that is, I'd say that's evident. Go to setting, and you might be tempted to go to audio, but nope, it's not audio. It is under navigation right there. So I'm using this to scroll up and down just so you know in case you don't see anything happening. Okay, so navigation. Then scroll down. Traffic info setting, weather info setting. And you have, first one says display an alert for weather warnings, display an alert for weather watches, and voice announcements. So you might, I guess, you might want voice, but not the display. I don't know. But right now, let's get rid of the voice one. Turn that off. All right. So we know that at least right around now, it's taking about just a minute for the warning to come on. So let's turn off the car. Just open the door just to kind of fully trick it. People with Infiniti M56s are probably thinking, whoa, how daring. Keep turning it on and off. Starter issues. Very unpredictable, by the way. Okay, so just watch. There you go. It gives you the visual without the audio warning. I guess the visual isn't intrusive. It's not that bad, right? But I suppose somebody else might be tempted or might be interested in getting just the audio without the visual. I don't know what you'd be looking at on your screen so intensely that you don't want to see a strip. But okay, so now we have voice but no visual. So let's do it again. Turn the car off. Go to status. I want that screen to disappear. Turn the car off. open the door, shut the door, turn the car on. I already planned to replace the starter in this car, so while I'm working it, just know there's a plan to it. Give it about a minute, right?
Weather alert. High wind warning around current location. Weather alert. Tornado watch in about 25 miles from current location.
And there you have it. In case you want the audio, you don't want the text reminder, you know what to do. As I said, it's not the most intuitive path to get to it, but personally, I'm gonna. Oh, there's a lot of stuff you could actually get into here, but I don't mind the audio stuff, so I'll set everything back on to normal because I like it. I like it as is, and yeah, changes how weather information is displayed and heard. I guess I should have just, if you have the time, you can scroll through all your stuff and it can tell you displays the speed limit on the map screen. Actually, yeah, it is on. Sometimes I use the map just for that, just for, I guess, as a GPS of sorts. And there's a lot of stuff here. All stored information, address book. Yeah. As I said, there's a lot of stuff you could get into, and this video wasn't. I think I do all different kinds of videos. Some, I guess, 1.5 hours, like the forest air. This one is just one quick one, and I realize, yes, I do make a lot of how-to videos, how to replace this, how to repair that, but every once in a while, I've got quite a lot of positive feedback from some of my how-to videos, how to reset your windows and things like that, things that you sometimes take for granted. So I hope this video will be helpful in one way or another. My intention is to help you enjoy the most out of your Infiniti M. My intention is for you to make the most out of your Infiniti M ownership. And if you do have a Q70, please let us know if they behave the same way. I had my eyes on a Q70, but things didn't happen quite the way I planned. But yeah, we'll get to that. That's a different story. One day I'll make a video of all this stuff, of all my involvement with the Infinitis. But for now, I think that's gonna have to be enough video. I do have quite a distance to cover, and I guess no need to fuel. All right, all the best. We'll find a good way to post this. I have like a 3-hour drive, so hopefully I'll just post this video, and my hope is that it will be up and available for people. All right, all the best, and yeah, please post and share your experiences. Especially, it's November, it's like mid-November, so with winter coming up, fall weather, let us know what your experience with this feature is. So again, as I said, some people might dislike it and want to turn it off, but some people, especially if you have navigation, you might be curious as to, well, maybe I would want such a feature. So hopefully you will benefit from that. Okay, and that's it. I'm out.